Shrub Althea Flower is well known as Rose of Sharon, Rose mallow. It's native to China, but widely introduced to other Asian countries. It was introduced to Japan during the Heian Period. It's national flower of South Korea. Rose of Sharon has been grown in China more than 2,500 years. It has appeared in Shi Jing, the Book of Songs, which is the oldest existing collection of Chinese poetry dating from the 11th to 6th century BC. Its leaves can be used as a herbal tea, and its flowers are edible. White Rose of Sharon is used as traditional Chinese medicine, and in ancient China, people mashed leaves into juice to shampoo hair, as leaf contains saponin. It is also popular to plant it as living fans. Rose of Sharon is known for its lengthy blooming period. You can expect the endless flowers from middle summer to early autumn. Individual flowers are short-lived, lasting only one day. However, numerous buds on the branches provide prolific flowering over a long blooming season. Today, I would like to share how to make tempura of Rose of Sharon. First, let's make the seasoning. This pink water is something like brine from pickled perilla I made before. It tastes sour with aroma of perilla. Instead of it, you could use lemon juice. Rinse the flowers gently. Remove the calyx. Mix 1 egg with flour and water. Sprinkle flour evenly on the petals. Put it into the mixture of the egg and the flour softly. Fry it until the color changes into yellow. Place it on a kitchen paper first. Later, move it to the plate. Sprinkle the sour perilla salt made just now. According to the theory of traditional Chinese medicine, pregnant women are better not to eat this flower because it is cold-natured. It's fresh and delicious. This flower helps to improve the skin also. Are you going to try it?